Okay, so haven't done video in a long time. Today's as good a day as any. It's about June 6th. I have learned over the past couple years that when June hits, you got to be very careful about riding, because heat exhaustion will get you quick. I mean, it creeps up on you. You think you can do it, but you can't. So today it's about 80, maybe 82 now, and 80% humidity. This will be the norm for 4 months. And you get used to it, you find ways to work around it. So for example, I stopped at 6 miles and got a Gatorade at the VIP. Now I've only got about another 3 miles to go, which I can easily do. I've been in Rocky Point, Mexico for 11 years now. That is 6 years longer than any home I owned in the United States. You know, about after 5 years, you get in the mood to move, do something different. Well, one of the things I like, other than the people down here, is my lot rent is $166 a month. And I'm paid a year in advance. So you might understand not having a $3,000 a month mortgage isn't as appealing. Today must be Wednesday. Yeah, today's, I don't know what day this is. I hope it's Thursday. That's another thing. I don't know if it's a retirement thing, living in Mexico thing, living la vida loca. I lose track of the days all the time. So if you don't want to pay carpetbagger prices for food, VIP on the left there is a pretty good place to go. You can get pancakes, eggs, bacon for $5. They got all kinds of things all day long. On my ride, I like to cruise up to Constitution, where we're at now, or heading towards anyway. You can see Coppell there to the right, Superlay to the left. Superlay is a pretty good grocery store. Coppell, I've only been in there once. It's a department store. You can get just about anything you want there. If they don't have it, you can order it. I personally have never bought anything there. I actually need to go back and see what's going on. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just playing around here.